Alright everybody, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to get photos, save them to your iPad, and also give credit to the person who made them. We are not thieves, so we need to make sure that we're borrowing the right way. We're in Schoology right now. This is where we have the links. So I'm going to hit my photo resources. Right up top is our Easy Bib site. I'm going to tap that. And right away on the bottom right corner, I'm going to send it over to Safari. I'm going to swipe right back, hit the X in the upper left corner. I'm going to work my way down to the bottom of the page where it says Creative Commons Search. I'm going to tap that link. I'm going to immediately open that in Safari and swipe right back, hit the X in the corner, and now I'm going to go to the bottom of the page one last time, and I'm going to open the bottom link, rgbstock.com, in Safari as well. Tap it and send it out to Safari. So very good. I've got those three things open. You can see I have those three tabs. Something else I'm going to make sure I have open is my photo credits page. So I'm going to double click, and you can see that I have my photo credits document, and I also have my storyboard. All right, let's get to it. I'm back in Safari here. I'm going to start with a search here. Notice I have Google Images selected right here on the left side, and up top underneath the search bar I unchecked the Use for Commercial Purposes option. I'm going to search for a dog. Up come all these pictures, and I'm doing something about rabid dogs, so I'm going to tap on that picture right there. And to make sure that it's actually accessible to me and it gets through the web filter, I'm going to visit the page. And I can tell from this that everything is good to go, and I have all the information for that picture. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push and hold down on the picture, and I'm going to save the image. Next, I'm going to start getting this information into the Easy Bib website. So I'm going to get the push and hold down on the title of the article. Now something Mr. Peterson showed me is in the upper and the top there you see those three lines in the web address bar, and that puts it in reader mode, and he said that this is easier to copy some of this information. Unfortunately it's not all here, but I'll get what I can. So I'm going to go ahead and hit copy the name of the photograph here. Of course, since I'm doing this as a demonstration, it doesn't really want to work well, but I'll get it to work. Military dog barking, JPG, that's fine. I'm going to copy it. Now, up on the top left, I can tap, and I'm going to go to my title, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in the title of that. Next, I'm going to go see if I can find the author. Now, I'm going to do a two-finger pinch in, and this will open up my three tabs, and I'm going to go right back to where I was. So I'm actually going to get out of this reader view on the top left, on the top of the screen. I'm going to go right back to the regular screen because this is working fine for me. The author is Josh Pluger right here. You can see it right on the screen. And so I'm just going to remember how to spell his name, and I'm going to put that in. Josh Pluger. Pinch, tap over here, and the author's name is Josh. And it was Plueger. The website title was, I'm going to pinch and go back. I can tell on the top that this is Wikimedia, it's called, Wikimedia Commons on the top left. Wikimedia Commons. And now I have to go get the URL, which is the actual website. I'm going to pinch my way right back over here. I'm going to tap the top web address bar, and that's the whole thing right there. So usually what I have to do is tap again, and then tap one more time, select all, copy, and now I can go, I just tap the page and I pinch my way right back. The URL, I have to tap once to get in that field, and then I can tap and paste. There's my URL. I'm almost done. I need to make sure that I choose yes, I do want to display the URL. When was this picture published? Back I go, and it says it was the 17th of April 2007, and that's the last thing I need to get. The 17th of April, and the year is 2007. Finally, for the date access, that means the date that I got this picture, and that is today. All this is filled in. This is the information that I need. I'm going to hit Create Citation right there, and you can see that it's working its way. And it says, hooray! Here is your new citation. And I'm going to copy it. Hold down and copy. I don't want these blue words on the bottom, so I make sure that those aren't selected. I copy it, and I can head right over to my documents in my photo credits document, and I'm going to paste that in. So, was it super fast? Not really, but the more I do, the easier it will be, and I know that I'm doing the right thing. I am not stealing somebody's pictures and somebody's property. I am borrowing it with their permission and letting everybody know exactly where it came from. You are expected to give credit to the people who you borrow pictures from, and if you don't, then honestly, you will fail this project. This is an expectation. I know you're going to do a great job.